After passing through Immigration and Customs at Suvarnabhumi Airport, exit the International Arrivals Hall and turn right. If somebody is meeting you, follow the signs to the meeting point, located near door 3. If nobody is meeting you, there are 3 main ways to reach central Bangkok: taxi, train, and bus. While not the cheapest, taxis are reasonably priced by international standards and are my preferred mode of travel. Make sure you have enough Thai money beforehand. ATMs are located near the taxi rank if you need cash, though money changers and ATMs on level B near the train station typically offer better exchange rates. To reach the taxi rank from the International Arrivals Hall, turn right toward the meeting point. As you approach Gate 8, turn right through security and immediately left to take the travelator down to level 1. At the bottom, turn left and exit through Gate 7. Turn right, walk past the ATMs, and choose the correct lane for the type of taxi that suits your needs. Most tourists can skip the lane for short distance journeys, where tickets are bought from a kiosk, as these taxis do not go into Bangkok. For regular taxis, use the middle lane. Official guidelines recommend up to 3 passengers and 2 cases. The final lane is for large taxis. The official recommendation is up to 4 passengers and 4 cases. Once you've chosen your lane, advance to the ticket machines at the end of the lane and touch the Get Ticket option. A ticket will be issued telling you where to find your taxi. The numbered bays, called lanes on the ticket, are on the far side of the road in front of you. The machine will also display a plan indicating where your vehicle is waiting. During extremely busy periods, tickets are not issued until a taxi becomes available. Present the ticket to the driver, and once inside the vehicle, ensure the meter is switched on, as required by law. This is typically done without issue, but in the very rare case a driver doesn't comply, it's best to request a different taxi. If needed, you can make a complaint by calling the number printed on the ticket, 0213200360. Note that the additional airport surcharge, which is payable to the driver, is displayed near the entrance to the taxi rank and also shown on the ticket. It is typically added to the fare at the end of the journey. If the driver gives you the option of taking the expressway, which happens most of the time, take the expressway. If his English is limited, he may simply say expressway or highway. He will understand yes and no. While it's ultimately your decision, taking the expressway is usually much quicker. You will need to pay the tolls along the route, typically 2, both inexpensive. Give money to the driver who will pay and pass the change to you. The amount payable is displayed just beyond the kiosk and on the ticket. Estimating the fare is difficult as it depends on traffic conditions and distance. Including road tolls and the airport surcharge, it will in most cases be between 400 and 500 baht to central Bangkok. It's helpful to have your destination's address written in Thai, as nearly all drivers can read it. While most Thais are very honest, some drivers may occasionally claim not to have change because it often results in them getting a larger tip. If you only have large denomination notes, here are 2 simple solutions. First, hand the driver a 1,000 baht note when paying for the expressway toll and take the change afterwards. Second, buy a small item from a convenience store at the airport. After leaving the International Arrivals Hall, follow the signs to the meeting point. A store is located to the right opposite door 3 with an ATM nearby. To reach the taxi rank from the convenience store, take the travelator near the meeting point. At the bottom, exit through Gate 4 and turn left past more ATMs until you reach the taxi ticket machines. If your destination is near a BTS or MRT station, the Airport Rail Link (ARL) is a convenient option. They run about every 15 minutes between 5:30 in the morning and midnight, connecting with the city's rail network at Khaosan and Pai Thai stations. The journey takes about 30 minutes. For current prices and services, check online resources such as the Wikipedia ARL page. After leaving the arrivals hall, turn right towards the meeting point, and on the way, opposite Gate 8, turn right through security, then immediately left to take the travelator down to level 1, following the signs for the Airport Rail Link. At the bottom, there are 3 options. Firstly, go straight ahead and take the lift down to level B. Exit and turn right. For a potentially quicker route, use the escalator over to the right just past the lift. It will also take you down to level B. Once there, turn right and right again past the lift. For the third option, If you are overburdened with luggage and the lift is busy, you turn left to take the travelator down to level B and turn right at the bottom. Along level B, take the third travelator down the slope to the left. At the bottom, the ticket machines accept low-denomination banknotes and most coins. Select English on the screen, choose your destination and number of passengers. The fare will be displayed. Insert money, then collect your tokens and any change from the trays below. The nearby ticket kiosk, open from 5:30 AM to midnight, accepts all Thai banknotes and coins. If needed, currency exchange counters and ATMs beyond and to the left of the kiosk are said to offer the best rates at the airport. These services are open from 5 AM to midnight. To enter the station, head to the barriers and tap the token where indicated to open the gate. Proceed to the platforms one floor below and board the next departing train. Keep the token as you'll need it to pass through the exit barriers at your destination. Throughout the journey, station names are clearly announced in both Thai and English just before arrival. There are maps of the route above the doors. Disembark at Khaosan Station to transfer to Bangkok's MRT trains. Take the escalator, stairs, or lift down one level and proceed to the barriers displaying a green arrow. Place your token in the slot and the gate will open. Proceed to exit 2 and follow the well-signposted route across the skywalk to Phetchaburi MRT station. It takes about 7 minutes. To transfer to Bangkok's BTS rail system, disembark at Pai Thai station, the final stop on the route. Take the lift or escalator down one level and proceed to the exit barriers displaying green arrows. Insert your token into the slot to pass through. There is yet another escalator and lift down to the next level. Once there, follow the signs to the BTS station. At the bottom of the slope, you'll see ticket machines directly ahead with a ticket kiosk slightly to the right of them. Platform entrances are located to both the left and right. Finally, for anybody staying in or near Khaosan Road, the air-conditioned S1 Express bus is the most affordable transport option from Suvarnabhumi Airport. It is scheduled to depart hourly on the hour from 6 AM to 8 PM. The journey typically takes about an hour, though traffic conditions can affect this. At peak times, especially on Fridays between 4 PM and 8 PM, expect slower travel. From the International Arrivals Hall, turn right toward the meeting point. Opposite Gate 8, turn right through security, then immediately left to take the travelator down to level 1. At the bottom, turn left and exit through Gate 7. From Gate 7, walk straight ahead and over the pedestrian crossing to the second road where you'll see the S1 bus stop sign. Pay the fare after boarding the bus with small denomination banknotes and coins. Notes under 100 baht are typically acceptable. It's helpful for most passengers to know their stop in advance. A screen near the driver displays information about the next stop. For more videos and information about Bangkok, visit our website at goingtobangkok.com. There's a link in the description below.